I remember being here my first year and how anxious I was, and it was super nice to have people here helping you out.
So excited because I remember my first time, it was really nerve-wracking, just a swarm of people just took my stuff. So I'm glad I can do it for them too.
Yeah, excited to be part of that swarm. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Dallas, Texas.
I definitely remember what it's like to feel afraid and nervous and not know anyone here, but I'm hoping bringing positive energy might make that better for someone else.
Thank you so much.
What are you particularly looking forward to over the next few days?
I guess everything. I'm really excited to meet my roommates. One is from Rwanda and one is from Massachusetts.
I'm so excited. I didn't get any sleep last night. I was up all night thinking about this day.
I'm really excited to learn 499 other people's names and learn about them.
I'm excited for our orientation trips to go camping. I've never been camping in a tent before, so it should be fun.
Just wondering how you're feeling today.
At the beginning of the day, it's pretty just let's get them in. But I think by the end of the day, I'm going to be pretty tearful. I mean, you're going to make me cry right now thinking about it. And I don't want to cry yet. I want to wait until the end of the day.
Oh, it all fits. Let's go.
I'm delivering Jayna Robotham. It's my granddaughter, the love of my life. Jayna is she's someone who loves a challenge, and she works very hard for everything, and she did really well in school, and so we were excited that Bowdoin accepted her.
What are your hopes and dreams for your son over these next 4 years?
That he continues to grow and learn and get some good critical thinking and worldly experience and take it to the next level. He's on his way. So.
My advice for Holden is that in these halls he finds independence, self-reliance, and confidence.
And your hopes and dreams?
Just to do well and, aspire to be a better person. So, yeah.
I want to make a network of people that push me to be the best version of myself, and also to make long-lasting connections, which I feel I can do here, and just challenge myself in every way that I can.
What's your feeling today? How do you feel? Your emotions?
I feel excited. ¿Cómo te sientes?
Happy y a la vez triste.
Happy and sad, he said. ¿Un consejo para tu hija?
Bueno, de aquí en adelante,
from here on,
ella empieza una nueva etapa de su vida.
She started a new stage in her life.
Muy importante.
Very important.
Tomar las decisiones.
To make the right choices.
Pensar la decisión.
To think every choice. She kind of started living from here on.